There was a point where coordination stopped being enough for us. We could keep managing the bills or start owning the outcome. We chose ownership, and that's why we acquired an EMS company. Let's go back to where it all started. Every idea starts small. A sketch, a concept, a build born on a cluttered desk. Then comes the real work, scaling what worked once 100 times over. Across India, a new generation of makers is building the future. It's not just about where products are built anymore, it's also about how. When we started 7 years ago, we started with chaos. Parts, vendors, timelines, all fighting for attention. And one simple question. Why does building hardware sometimes feel like rocket science?
We thought, what if someone could just make sense of it? So we did. We built Karkhana, a platform that sources the parts, assembles the build, tests it, and ships it out. It worked until speed stopped being enough. As our customers grew, the game changed. As bills got tougher and stakes higher, we realized something. You can't guarantee outcomes if you don't own them. That's when Karkhana evolved from an aggregator to a full-stack electronics manufacturing partner.
And now we are taking that evolution even further. We have joined forces with Micron EMS, a fast-growing EMS company that has built a legacy of precision and trust for over a decade. With this, we've brought critical capabilities in-house, from PCB assembly and testing to complete box builds, backed by deep manufacturing capability and years of mechanical sourcing expertise across complex products, marking our move from managing supply chains to actually building the products.
At Micron, we have always believed great products do not happen by accident. They are built on discipline. Every line, every build, every detail. From solder joints to final finishes, precision defines our work. Our 40,000 square feet facility is where it all comes together. SMT lines, through-hole assembly lines, rigorous testing and integrated box builds, everything under one roof. This commitment has earned us trust across industries, from automotive electronics to industrial systems, by delivering reliability time after time. Joining hands with Karkhana is more than a partnership. Their supply chain expertise and customer-first mindset complement Micron's rigor and execution, enabling us to build something stronger. Together, Micron and Karkhana are building new standards in electronics manufacturing, built on trust, precision, and collaboration.
This is a big step forward for Karkhana, with tighter integration across the value chain. It puts us right where the action is. Closer to the product, closer to the teams building it, and way closer to the decisions that actually move things forward. We are stepping into a new arena: mobility, energy, IoT, and automation. The next wave of manufacturing innovation starts here, powered by Karkhana.